This is the Bosch Serie 6 IDOS washing machine, white as delivered. Let's open it and have a look. On the back of the machine, you will find a plastic bag with important bits in it. Let's have a closer look at the bag's content. Now, this is semi-important. These 4 plastic bits are the cover up for the holes left after we remove the transport bolts, so keep them safe. You also have the installation manual, the guarantee form, fill that in and post it as directed, some other protection plan guide, and the all-important user guides. Now, let's turn it around. The transport bolts on this model are slightly hidden behind the wastewater pipe, so snap the wastewater pipe away from its fittings for easy access to the bolts. Then get a little help and remove the bolts. Place the plastic hole covers that you saved into the empty holes and push them in place. Important: check the inside of the machine before you install it. You will always get a new water pipe with a new washing machine. The machine is now ready to be installed. I'm reusing the old water supply pipe. They all use the same thread connector, so the water is now off. This is my wastewater connection under the sink. And I'm reusing the actual connector and its old clamp. I've connected the new wastewater pipe to the old waste connector and clamp. Connected the water supply and turned this on. Check that old water supply into the new machine is dry and not leaking. After final machine positioning, I have pulled through all the waste pipe I need and can now connect it to the waste connection point. You want to hear it run? Oh, and don't forget to follow us, subscribe to our channel or email. Thanks.